Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract captions from your Loom videos. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the navigation menu. Go ahead and click on Library. This section houses all of your recorded Loom videos, making it easy to access and manage your content in one centralized location. Once you're in the library, browse through your videos and locate the specific recording you want to extract captions from. Click on that video to open it. This will bring up the full video player along with all the associated options and settings for that particular recording. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three dots icon, which is the menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your video. From this menu, select Download Captions. This option allows you to save the automatically generated or manually added captions from your Loom video directly to your device. Before proceeding, it's important to note that this feature requires an upgraded Loom plan. If you're currently on a free plan, you won't be able to access the caption download functionality. Make sure your subscription includes this capability to avoid any issues during the process. After you click Download Captions, Loom will immediately start processing your request. The download will begin automatically, and depending on the length of your video, it should only take a few seconds. The caption file will typically be saved in SRT or VTT format, which you can use for subtitles in other video editing software or platforms. And that's it. You've successfully extracted captions from your Loom video, giving you the flexibility to repurpose your content or ensure accessibility across different platforms. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.